Oh, man. What's up, Damegang? It's your boy Damedash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. What's going on, y'all? So we're back with another video. Today we have a seafood boil with the Flavors by Dame Dip and Dash butter sauce. I have 3 ears of corn, 3 boiled eggs. I got a loaded baked potato. I have 1 king crab, and I have 3 clusters of snow crab. Y'all, this video is brought to you by Cameron Seafood. All this seafood right here is from Cameron Seafood. If you guys want to order this seafood, please click the link down below. Code, and we're going to be able to give you $10 off your first purchase. So make sure y'all check them out and let me know what you think. Alright, that's the thumbnail. Let's get started, y'all. I'm hungry. I am hungry. So, I wanted a loaded baked potato today. I always get a regular one. We'll get right into this king crab. Now, this is my first time getting seafood from Cameron Seafood. So far, I love the quality of the food. Everything came packaged very, very well. Now, let's see how it tastes. Maybe I should have broke this piece off first. Ooh, it's sharp. It's definitely sharp. It's definitely sharp. Okay. This was a small little thigh right here. Take that fat off. Wow, that's good. The meat tastes so fresh. I'm so mad that that thigh was so small like that. Wow. The good thing about it, I got a whole bunch more in the freezer. I should have put more than one. I should have really cooked more than one. But I love me some snow crab, y'all. So, comment down below which one you like better, snow crab or king crab. Now these king crab right here taste good and fresh. Honestly, they taste better than the ones I get from Sam's Club. It's like, I don't know what it is, but I'm mad I only cooked one. I wish I would have made some more. That was good. Yeah, I don't have no lemon. I had all this stuff already. I didn't have to go to the store. It's so good. It's so fresh. Oh yeah, Cameron, when you order your food, They go catch it. And then they send it to you right after they catch it. So it's fresh. It's fresh, yo. Hope y'all having a great day. I'm drinking water today, y'all. Thirsty. Ooh. Man, y'all, I haven't had no seafood in a while. Ready for the snow, boys. Oh. I was at work like, I can't wait to leave here. I'm going home. I'm gonna get me some seafood tonight. Oh, man. Oh, it's so good. I don't want a piece of meat left nowhere. This is so good, y'all. Yeah. I know a lot of people be like, king crab, it's too much. I mean, it's easier to get the meat out of the king crab. It takes too much to get the meat out of the snow crab. But y'all, it's worth it. This meat is like sweet. man. I missed the whole bowl. All right. It's so tender. This plan, I'm gonna eat the whole piece without putting in the sauce. Not that it needs the sauce, because it definitely tastes good. But of course my sauce tastes beautiful. The sauce I have, y'all, it tastes better with time. Like, if you make it the day before you're gonna actually eat it, or a couple days before you actually gonna eat it, and then like reheat it, it tastes so good. All the flavors and then marinated. Man. Y'all know I'm not gonna be talking. I just got off work. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Made this food. I steamed the crab legs this time instead of like baking them or boiling them, which I normally bake them. I don't really boil. But today, I steamed these bad boys. Ooh. Look at this. What do you do when I'm doing all you have? You just stand down. Ooh. Cameron Seafood is definitely on point. Make sure y'all click that link down below in the description box and order you some. from the sea to your door. That's good. One cluster down, 2 more to go. How y'all day going? I hope I tried it already. Being rude, huh? Hope y'all having a good day. Yeah. Yes, baby. Big mama. That's so good. Oh man. Whew. Yes. Oh man. What the? Look at that. Excuse me. Having a little struggle. broke it down. Oh man, y'all seen that? I'm getting that. That was good. I had a taste of some snow crabs. So you know how you have a taste of something and you finally get it and it's everything you've been wanting. I got a vacuum. Come on, baby. Yes. Sauce. Yeah, I'm lucky. I'm ready for. Dang. I've been messing up all video. Yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm gonna say this last cluster for Aria. This was great. Make sure y'all check that box down below. Order y'all some. It's so good, but I'm so full. I'm not even gonna try. Alright, y'all, love y'all so much. Please make sure y'all like, share, and comment down below. And if you're new here, let me know how you feel about the video, how you feel about the page. Don't judge it based off this one video. Watch a few videos and then let me know, okay? I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.